So welcome back if you're a returning subscriber, and welcome if you're a new subscriber. Today I'm going to be talking about how to start a lip gloss business in 2022 with just 4 easy steps. Well, they're not easy, but with just 4 steps. Just get your business rolling, because this year you definitely want to, if you wanted to start a lip gloss business for like a really long time, create your own job, or if you just want a creative outlet, if you just want to start a business. So here are some tips that I've came up with. So number 1, create a business plan. A business plan, I'll put like a list of things you want your business plan. So like your budget, where you want to sell it, what type of product you're going to sell, how many products are you going to sell, how much are you going to invest. There is a lot. I can do a video on how to start a business plan for a lip gloss business if you want. But yeah, just make sure that you have a plan in place. Fail to plan, plan to fail. Fail to plan, plan to yes. If you do not have everything together, so make sure you have a plan. I will definitely put some sources to help have a plan. And yeah, number 2, find your niche. So find your niche. So like, do you want to do like the new type of lip glosses, like the bright kind of lip glosses, the lip gloss from the cool tube? There's just so many types of lip gloss companies. Some sell like just lip gloss, some sell lip gloss and makeup, some sell lip gloss and body butter, some sell lip gloss and lip balm or lip scrub. Just know your niche and know your theme. Use the best way to use this is to use Pinterest. Pinterest, you could just find a lot of inspo, and you can find a lot of you can find a lot of inspo, and you can find a lot of tips, and you could just find a lot of that kind of stuff. So I'll definitely put some things to kind of help, like different types of themes that I see. Make $1,000 worth of product. This is especially good if you want to do a vendor event, which I highly recommend, so you can kind of see your customer or what your customers like, and you can get in-person feedback. But yeah, or the plan to make $1,000 in products. Like, what are you gonna do directly to make the $1,000 worth of products? So yeah, get $1,000 worth of product. Do pre-orders and use the money to do pre-orders to buy the supplies that you need and buy the products with that money. Because if you're just upfront with customers and you're just like, okay, who wants to pre-order my product? It's made to order. I will make your product in this amount of time. I will ship it, blah, blah, blah. People will just be, okay, this is really, this person is reliable, and I can trust them with my product. I can trust them with my money. And yeah, you have to build that trust with your customers. So that is basically my tips on how to start a business, a lip gloss business in 2022. If you want a more detailed video or like a part 2, I could definitely film that. So bye, good luck with your guys' businesses, and I wish you the best success. And yeah, so if these tips helped you, just comment that down below.